Little update on the RX3. Got this rotisserie we're gonna throw out from my cousin's body shop. Gotta update it a little bit. Weld. Something needs to go across to support it, keep it even. I may do two, just because for safety reasons. May extend it a little bit and secure it to the floor so that way it doesn't want to flip over. May extend it a foot or two. All depends how much room I have in there. And grind it down, update it a little bit, change the casters, paint it, make it look good. I was worried about how I'm gonna get the RX3 into it from the back, but the Mustangs were leaf springs. And look, it's already made. I may weld this a little bit better than it is. Support it better once it's there. Weld up here, just for security. Re-weld plate just to make sure it holds up. Put a little L bracket there or a plate so it could be sturdy. Another plate across there, just because that 1x1, I'm scared of it. May put a couple extenders and be flat to the floor so that way it doesn't want to flip over. This is about the width of a car, but I'm just a little scared of it. I spent about a month updating it, but hopefully RX3 I can start doing some work on it. I want to start from the bottom up, proper way, epoxy it, seal it, and that way I don't have to come back in the bottom. May paint it black or something, whatever. Strip it down, seal it, asphalt it, epoxy it, paint it, get it done over with. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be secured. And it has to be, not secured, it has to be sealed. That way I don't have to worry about it later on. A little update, kind of happy about it. Cousin Julio got it. Once I'm done with my car, hopefully he starts working on his RX too.